I do understand that there has been quite a lot of super trend videos on the internet, but this video is specifically for those who are looking for something different and simple, right? A simple approach to the super trend strategy that is effective and profitable. Now, I'm going to take you through the steps of using the strategy. Personally, I've tried the strategy. It works like a charm. Just need to follow the steps and you will definitely get it right. All right. So, and it is very simple, guys, and it works on most pairs, but I recommend that you actually check backtest before you use it in the live market. But so far it's been good. Now requires just two steps, right? Number one, right, you need to have your moving average. As you can see, your 200 exponential moving average. That's the first thing you need to have, and you need to have your super trend, right? Now, once you have these two things in check, it is very simple, right? The market needs to be trending in a direction, right? If the market is somehow ranging, well, there hasn't been any range in a while, but that's good because the market has been trending. So if there is a range, you do not trade. But if you see a trend, right, as you can see, and you get a sell, if you see a downtrend and you get a sell from your indicator, as you can see there, that was a nice sell, right? You want to put your stop loss just above the sell area, right? And you want to target 1 to 2, as you can see there. But it went even further down, as you can see. Went even further down, as you can see right there. So guys, take the time, learn the strategy. It works. Be disciplined, and thank me later.